What's up, guys? It's Polar back again with some more speed testing. Just recently got a SIM with LosMobile, and it appears that AT&T actually has started deploying DoD in Augusta. Keep in mind it's 5:30 a.m. Sunday. So the network is super not being used right now. And the speeds are not bad. They're not very bad. I believe it's only 40 megahertz of spectrum that is being used for this, according to the menu on iPhone, is what it was telling me. It was only 40 megahertz, which is not bad. This is standing in my office, facing towards the tower. As you can see, holy cow, it bounces around a lot. Sometimes it'll be 80 megabits, sometimes it'll be almost 200. It fluctuates a whole lot. Upload speed, I've seen it, be consistent 15 megabit, and then other times 1 to 2 megabit. It's really weird overall, but still a lot better of an experience now versus when I first moved in, where there was no 5G whatsoever, and it was just LTE, and I would maybe get 10 megabit even on off-peak hours, like it, around this time. It'd still be super duper slow. I'm also going to do a speed test, and we're going to show standing in the same position. We're going to show Verizon. Maybe we'll pick up some ultra wideband. Maybe we won't. Maybe it'll just be CBRS. Either way, let's see how they compare. Alrighty, guys. Here is Verizon. Let's go ahead and pull it up onto Verizon's specific test server. We did the same exact thing for AT&T, so we might as well do it for Verizon. That way it's consistent. But as you can tell, it's only LTE on Verizon. And this is also getting contributed with CBRS. It might not be connecting to CBRS currently just based off of the latency. Latency normally, my ping is normally about 100 and something when I'm doing when it's actually connecting to CBRS. But as you can tell, download speed is not nearly as fast as AT&T when it's on their DoD, but the upload is much, much more consistent and faster than it is on AT&T's DoD stuff. We're going to run a couple tests just to see if there's any variation on that upload speed, like I was saying, but it looks like the download is hovering 60 to 70s. Upload is, 15 to 20-ish. Let's do one more. That way we have a consistent testing methodology. Latency is pretty decent. Download speed is going to make a liar out of me. I said it was doing pretty decent. Oh, there it goes. It's speeding back up. But yeah, overall, Verizon has also been stepping their game up. Oh, wow. Got a little bit faster there, too. But overall, I'm pretty happy. I definitely would love Verizon to colo on a local or another tower in my area. That way, I actually might get some, N77 C-band turned on. I know end of year, Verizon is going to crank all of our towers from 100 megahertz to 200 megahertz of N77. And I want to say, from every tower I have seen, Verizon, holy cow, there it goes, picking up some CBRS, it seems. But yeah, Verizon is definitely running 10 gig backhaul to every site. Wow, look at that. Look at that upload. It's doubled. We definitely must have a better signal strength now. But yeah, end of year this year, definitely going to be running around Augusta, seeing how that 200 megahertz of N77 is treating the network. I know there's quite a few towers to wear right now. With the 100 megahertz, I'm getting consistently over a gigabit down and almost 200 megabit up, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, that's going to do it for now, guys. Thank you all for tuning in for another quick little video. I really do appreciate you guys. There's going to be a couple more videos coming your way soon-ish. Testing a couple of things. I might have gotten a Verizon 5G home internet box. We're gonna kind of test and whatnot. But yeah, until then, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you later.